Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can boot your Android mobile into safe mode. So without any further ado, let's get started. We all face problems in our mobile, like sometimes it starts flicker or hangs. So to check it, if it is a hardware problem or some new app is giving trouble, you can boot your mobile into safe mode. To do this, just hold your power key and then tap and hold power off button. Your mobile will prompt you to reboot into safe mode. Just click OK. It will start rebooting. Wait for some seconds. Now, as you can see, we are in safe mode. Here, no third-party app will work. Only pre-installed apps can be seen. To boot into normal mode, just restart your device and it will boot into normal mode.